This video is sponsored by math. Need a quick nap, fall asleep, and stay asleep with math.
Andrew, now I'm gonna be honest with you here. I need a video on how to draw facial expressions. Can you help me out?
Do you like math?
What now?
I've come up with a super easy way to draw facial expressions, and it works like a multiplication table, except instead of using numbers, we use eyebrows and eyelids. Watch this. All right, I wanted to show you something. We're gonna create a grid of 4, okay? Eyebrows, eyelids, okay? Eyelids are gonna go down, eyebrows are gonna go this way. So, we have eyebrows like that, sad eyebrows, and then a mix between sad, like that, okay? So those are gonna go all the way across. And then eyelids, we got regular, top, down, and then both. So we'll mix these two up. What do I mean by that? Here we go, ready? So the eyebrows are gonna go up like that, right? And then there's no eyelids. So we're just gonna draw that in the middle. Okay, next, we're gonna do the eyebrows all the way across for here. Let me just make the circles first. Okay, so there are 16 facial expressions that we can get out of this. So with this one, all of them are going to be the uppity eyebrow, except this time, we're gonna cut it off at the top. Completely different facial expression, like he's bored or something. This one, we're gonna have the eyelids going like this. Same eyebrows, remember, because the eyebrows go all the way across. And then this one, the eyelids are gonna be squinting. Now this one, the eyebrows are gonna go like this the whole time. The only thing that we're gonna change is the eyelids. Next we're gonna do these eyebrows. So we got these eyebrows going all the way across, and then these eyelids going all the way down for each one of those. Next one, gonna be mad on the left, going up on the right. No eyelids for this one. Eyelids at the top on this one. Eyelids on the bottom for this one. And then squinting eyelids for this guy. Boom. Now you have 16 different facial expressions. So there's like surprised, bored, oh, nani? Then there's like, are you kidding me, bro? I can't believe it. You slimy monkey. So now you have 16 different facial expressions. You're welcome. Hope it helps. And now, a word from our sponsor. I'm proud to say that this video is sponsored by math. If I watch one more video, how many hours of sleep will I get? Math. Counting down the days until your milk has expired? Math. Counting down the days until your time on Earth has expired? Also math. Are you trying to divide the number of times you've tried your best by the number of times you've failed your parents? Try math. Now, for a limited time, Math is offering my subscribers an extended free trial of their signature product, happiness. All you have to do is enter the promo code in the description and calculate this equation. Take the number of expectations that others and you have put on yourself and subtract the number of you give until it reaches 0. Leave your answer in the comment below. Winner gets a free 2-minute supply of happiness, courtesy of Math. Just pay shipping and handling. I'm wishing you all as much happiness and health and safety as your mortal body can possibly handle. I know this is kind of a crazy time right now, but we'll get through this, and we'll get through this together, okay? See you in the next video.